Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the WordPress website editor. To begin, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and select Posts or Pages from the left-hand menu. Click Add New or edit an existing item to launch the editor. You'll immediately notice its clean, intuitive interface, designed for straightforward content creation. This block-based system allows for flexible and powerful page building, making it accessible for everyone from beginners to experienced users. The core of the WordPress editor is its block system. To add content, simply click the plus icon, often found in the top left or within the content area. You'll find over 100 different block types, including paragraphs, headings, images, and lists. Each block is a distinct piece of content you can easily move, duplicate, or delete. Experiment with various blocks to see how they can enhance your page's layout and visual appeal. Beyond adding content, the editor offers extensive customization. Select any block, and a sidebar will appear on the right, providing specific settings. Here, you can adjust colors, typography, and dimensions, like setting padding to 20 pixels or changing font sizes. Explore block patterns, which are pre-designed layouts of multiple blocks, to quickly create professional-looking sections. These tools empower you to fine-tune your site's appearance with precision and ease. Once your content is crafted, it's time to prepare for publication. Always use the preview button to see how your page will look to visitors before it goes live. You can save your work as a draft at any point, ensuring no progress is lost. When ready, click Publish in the top right corner. Remember to regularly save your work and utilize the revision history for peace of mind, making your editing process smooth and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.